back everyone. So in the previous video we talked about how important icebreakers are and shared some specific examples to make them even more effective for your teams. And think of this third video as like the detailed version of the previous one, because we're going to share some expert tips and ideas on icebreakers, guys. These fresh icebreaker ideas from established team building professionals are designed to spark conversations and build connections within your team. So if you feel like you need some more advanced versions of icebreakers, keep watching. And of course, in essence, these activities are designed to spark conversations, build engagement and connection, and of course, set the stage for a more productive and fun team building session. So I suggest you get ready to unleash some team spirit. We have compiled some more expert tips on icebreakers, and they are more advanced, and here they are. The first one is called Dream Job Interview by Adrian Gostick and Chester Alton, and they are both best-selling authors and customer experience experts. What you want to do first is to divide the team into pairs. Have one person imagine their dream job and answer questions from their partner, acting as a potential employer. You know what I mean? And then what you do is switch roles. You want to hear why this works? This playful activity encourages storytelling, self-reflection, and active listening. It also reveals hidden talents and aspirations, all areas of expertise for Adrian Gostick and Chester Alton, authors of the acclaimed book The Carrot Principle, which focuses on the power of positive reinforcement in the workplace. The second one is called Desert Island Discs by William Brandon, and he happens to be both an author and a team culture consultant. Okay guys, I want you to imagine yourself being stranded on an island, and for some reason, everybody loves this scenario on being on a deserted island. I know you do too, so don't deny it. So each team member gets to choose 3 albums or any media really they bring with them and explain why. And this icebreaker, guys, is a really fun way to learn about personalities, interests, and what really drives them, what motivates them. It also sparks lighthearted conversations. And shared experiences is really what glues a team together. It doesn't just have to be about work. It doesn't have to be about a shared task or something at work. It's just something that you share. It's a moment. Up next is The Human Knot by Pat Lencioni. He's the author of books on business management and particularly in relation to team management. So in this case, have the team stand in a circle with arms outstretched. Instruct them to grab the hands of 2 different people, not next to them, by the way. The challenge here is to untangle themselves into a knot without letting go of hands. Want to know why this one works? This problem-solving activity fosters communication, collaboration, and creative thinking in a physical way. It's a great way to break down barriers and encourage teamwork. Pat Lencioni, president of the Tableau Group and author of The 5 Dysfunctions of a Team, highlights the importance of these elements in building a cohesive and high-performing team. Remember guys, the key to a successful icebreaker is to choose the one that aligns with your team size, dynamics, and the overall goals of your team building sessions. So in the next video, we'll talk about the case studies on successful team building. We'll explore how key elements like trust, communication, and of course shared goals contribute to a highly performing team. So if you'd like to get further info about this topic, keep watching.